Okay, testing. I'm speaking to the Sony camera, and you are listening to the sound from my Sony camera, which goes directly to the live gamer portable. So basically what you can see is the screen. I just moved the screen, and I think it has CPU usage is about like 21%. I know the sound quality is really bad. So hopefully, let's hold on. Let me turn on the mic first. Where is it? And let me turn on the voice meter. Okay, so you can hear me saying, let me turn on this one. Parabolic. Okay. Testing. 1, 2, 3. So basically, you are seeing this. I'm not sure you can see this two green light, the green one. And I'm going to turn off the live gamer portable. The sound is not going to my live gamer portable anymore. So, but I'm not sure if you can hear me clearly. Okay, so hopefully this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm turning off the voice meter, and I'm recording from my live gamer portable. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's not really recording to live gamer portable, but I'm recording with the mic from my Sony Action Cam. Okay, and right now you should be hearing me from my voice meter. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.